In this video, we'll walk you through the new Project Health Report and how it helps you quickly understand the status of your projects using the red, amber, green system. The report provides a clear visual overview of how your project is performing. The report uses 3 colors. Green means everything is on track. Amber indicates caution or potential risks. Red signals critical issues that need immediate attention. This makes it easy to spot problems at a glance and take action quickly. The report is based on several key indicators. Progress burndown tracks how work is progressing over time. Capacity versus workload compares how much work is assigned versus what the team can handle. High severity risks highlights critical risks from the risk management module. For example, if a team has a capacity of 10 story points but is assigned 12, that's 120% utilization, and the system will automatically flag it as amber or red. The color status thresholds for each indicator can be customized in app administration. Here, you can define when project health should change from on track to at risk or off track, based on the score of each metric. The Project Health Report offers 2 different views. Pie chart shows health statuses for the parent box, based on all child boxes. If the box has no children, no data is displayed. Table shows health statuses for the current box. To drill down into details, click a color in the pie chart to see which sub-boxes fall into the selected category. You can tailor the report using the Settings panel. Choose Automatic Mode or Manual Mode. Define the scope, Portfolio, Ohm Scope, or sub-boxes. Select Progress Tracking Method, Story Points, or Original Estimates. Configure how capacity and workload are measured. If you prefer more control, switch to Manual Mode. In the Table view, you can assign statuses directly. The Project Health Report is available in multiple places across BigPicture. In the Hierarchy view of the Overview module, on the Home page, in the Infobar panel of the Gantt module, in the Details view of the Scope module, in the Backlog of the Resources module, in the Infobar panel of the Board module. That's all. With the Project Health Report, you can quickly track progress, spot risks, and keep your projects on the right path.